In this video, we are learning to convert decimals to fractions. Now, this is super simple if you're using these two methods. The first method is the place value system method and the other one is counting the decimal places. So let's have a look at the first method, which is using the place values. So I believe that you all are familiar with the place values. You know that after the decimal place, like before the decimal place, for the whole numbers, we have got number system as like point, and then we have ones and then tens and then hundreds, and after the decimal we have tenth and then we have hundreds, now we have thousands. Now it means that we are taking number out of 10. Hundreds means you're taking number out of 100, and then thousands is out of 1000, right? So let's have a look at the first question, point 4. So you would read it as 4 tenths because 4 is at the 10th place. Now how would you write as the name suggests? It is 4 tenth or 4 over 10, 4 out of 10. So this is the way to write it in fraction form. Now you'll simply simplify it with a common factor. As you know that 4 and 10 both are even numbers, so we can divide them by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So the fraction is 2 over 5. Now the next is 0.25. So to convert this, again we'll go by the place values. It is tenth and then hundredth. So we can say it is 25 hundredths because the 5 is at hundredth place. So this, and then you can simplify both by 25. It's a common factor, 25 ones, 25 fours. You can also just simplify with a common factor like 5 also if you do not want to do it directly, but you can always take the greatest factor which can divide both the numbers. The last, now in such a case, like as you can see in the third question, we have a whole number and then we have decimal. There are two ways of doing it. First, you can take the whole number side and then you can write 1 4 as 14 over 100 because the place values are 10th and 100th, so it is 14 out of 100. Or you can just simply write this whole thing without the decimal point in the numerator and can write again the 100 because 14 1 4 is out of 100. Then you can simplify it by any number. I'm simplifying by 2. All right, that's it. You can simplify it over here also. 12 whole and then 2 sevens and 250. So it is 7 over 50. So there are these two methods of solving it. Now let's solve it by counting the decimal places. So let's have a look at the first question, point 4. So you know that there is one decimal place over here. So what do? We write the number as it is and then we place a 1 and then put as many zeros as the number of the places in the question. Let's have a look at the second one. So we write the number as it is and then we count the places, the decimal places we have. We have two decimal places. So after 1, we place two zeros. The last one, you write the number as it is. Again, there are two ways of doing it. Write the full number, the whole number as it is, and then just count the decimal places. You have to just focus at the decimal places. So there are 2. So we place two zeros. Or you can do it this way also, where 12 is the whole number that goes on the side, and then you write 14 and then count the decimal places, two places, so two zeros. And here we are. Thank you.